see. My mom is giving instructions. Oh, little one. I ja po to.
Jer on ne zna, viš plazi jezik napolje, tako sisa.
Aha.
E to.
Eto. Bon appetit. We are eating. We are eating. We are eating. Happy eating to us. Happy eating. Eto.
Kad mu staviš dublje kako on to.
Da. Bon appetit. Prijedno miškula.
Is that good?
It's good.
He likes it?
Uh-huh. He's all calm, you see?
Yeah.
Little piggy.
Bravo paketama.
Makule.
Le.
Makule, šta si to dobio? Markus.
To je to neko.
Pritisneš mu jezik na dole. I onda mu ostaviš to na jeziku. Pa uzmi malo nešto. Mislim što ide.
It's so small and the spoon is so small, everything is so small.
Yeah.
Znači on pokušava da sisa, viš?
He's trying to suck on it, but you know, he needs to kind of...
Yeah. Well, he doesn't know how to chew.
Exactly. But he was chewing the milk and cheese before, he knows.
Yeah, that's true. So what's your plan? Are you going to do this once a day or twice a day?